In this video, I would like to show you how to use the website builder of one.com. So first of all, you want to go over here to Control Panel, and then afterwards you want to log in. And as soon as you're logged in, you want to click on Website Builder. So this one right here. You click on Website Builder, and then afterwards what you want to do is you want to select a template. Now it is the same thing as we just did, but you get much more templates. And the templates, in my mind, look better. A lot of these templates that we can see right here, in my mind, are better, first of all, than the ones that we already had a look at. And we even have the WordPress templates in here, but as a website builder template. So you can basically get much more templates. They are better, they were easier to create, and you even got the WordPress templates in here. So we have now a lot more. Like, we can basically have a look around, first of all, and perhaps even change our mind on any of the templates that we already had a look at. But I think the one that we just chose was not too bad, and we've seen it already at the top, so it is here. If you want to create a very simple website, you can also use one of those right here. So this is super simple. It just says masterpiece, and then, for instance, it shows the portfolio right here, then about me there, and contact there. So that is super simple. Let's actually go back and let's have a look at a couple of more designs. So we can see that some of the designs are kind of business-like. You can use them, for instance, for your online business, for your hair salon, whatever kind of business you have. And of course, there are then the templates which are quite colorful, which are kind of like blog templates. So first of all, let's go back to the template that we already had a look at, and let's use this one right here. So Topiary Garden, this one's called Topiary. So we're just going to view, first of all, the template. It's the same one as we just had a look at when we looked at the WordPress site. And we have right here about me, tutorials. In this case right now, the blog is missing, but I will show you step by step how to add the blog to this theme later on. And then of course we got again the mobile screen, also doesn't look too bad. And then let's just go back and use this design. So we click on start with this design, and then afterwards we can start creating our own website. So it might take now a couple of seconds, but then it will show, okay, what's new, introducing website premium. You don't necessarily need that, the website builder premium. I'm just going to click right now on next, and then on close. The premium website builder just, allows it to have HD photos, and don't worry about it. Like, if your photos are already HD, like the quality difference between the standard page builder and the premium website builder is just simply that there's almost no difference. So don't worry about it. Now, we first of all need to have a look at these two things up here. We have on one hand the edit page button, and then we have edit template. Now, edit page is quite simple. Edit page is just simply this page right here. This page home, we can change that. We can go, for instance, to this photo right here, and we can delete it, we can crop it, we can do whatever we want to do. And when I click on template, we are changing the entire template. So we are basically changing all the pages right here. So as you can see, we now have this website, and on this website, we can change whatever we want to change. There is a home page, which is basically this page right here that we already had a look at. There is the About Me page, where you can tell about yourself. And then we have tutorials. And this is basically how the tutorial site could look like. I'm going to show you how to use different designs later on if you're not happy with this one. And then we have some kind of tutorial page right here on, I think, gardening. So anyway, let's go back to the homepage. And what I want to do, first of all, is I want to show you how to add new pages to your website. So first of all, let's delete this one right here. We're not going to need it. So we click on delete. And we now have the buttons Home, About Me, Tutorials. And then basically what we first of all want to add is the page blog. So we add new page, and then afterwards we can select one of these pages right here. And it says, for instance, right there, About One. So this is about pages. These are galleries, portfolio. Then we have web shop. Then we have contact, price, list and menu, CV, video, news, FAQ, And then down here, we got landing page. Now, which page should you use for your blog? Well, I would personally go with the news page because they are the easiest to design. So I'm going to click right now on view. And for instance, it will say right here, world news, and then we have all of these articles, and we can basically write these articles and put them in categories and so on and so on. Let's have a look at this one. This one also looks quite nice, I think. And then we got this one right here, which is news number 4, which is perhaps a little bit more condensed. So which one are we going to choose? I'm just going to choose right now, actually, this one right here, news 2. So I'm going to click on this page, and then afterwards down here, I'm going to click on add. So now we are adding this page to our website, and we're going to call it blog. Then afterwards, click on OK, and this blog is going to be added directly to your page. So it says right here, blog, tutorials about me. I'm not sure whether we should keep the tutorials. Maybe even we should delete this one, and we should add a shop. So let's click on delete, and then afterwards, I want to show you how to create a shop. So we click on new page, and then afterwards we go down here to shop. So we are going to add a web shop. For instance, we could add this one right here. We could add this web shop right here, or we could add this shop right here. And for instance, if you are someone who is interested in affiliate marketing, you can of course drive traffic to your blog, and then people are going to go to the shop, and then you can, for instance, link to Amazon and get a small commission for the work that you do. But anyway, I'll show you how to do that later. So let's click on add right now, and we are going to add this page, and we're going to call it shop. So now we have the pages home, about me, blog, and shop, and we need one more, and that is now a contact page. So we click on new page, and then afterwards we're going to add a contact page. Let's see, these two are not too bad. Let's have a look at this one right here. Contact details, location map, contact form, not bad. And then this one right here, get in touch. So I'm just going to choose, I think, contact number 2. And we're going to call this contact me. And then click on OK. And then you're done with that. So now we click first of all on publish. Let's do that for a second. And then let's open our website and let's have a look at how it looks like right now. Now, of course, we didn't do too much work yet, but I will in the next videos show you how to build out your own page. And there we go. And now we can visit our site. And this is basically how the site is looking like right now. We can see there's a lot of space between this part down here and this contact page. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go back into our website builder, and you want to go on edit template, and then we want to scroll down, and we want to basically bring this part up right here. So you go to the left and you just take it like that and go up, 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 up. This might take a couple of seconds, but then you're done with that and it's fixed for the entire website. All right, there we go. And now we're going to click on publish again. And again, it might take a couple of seconds, but then when we go to our website and refresh the website, this should be fixed. Okay, there we go. And now let's refresh this page. And as you can see right now, this is now up here and this is already done. So I think this looks quite good. So when we click on the homepage, this is what currently appears on the homepage. This website is live right now, so people can see it when they go to leonchaudhry.com. Then we have an About Me page. So basically right here, we can then add photos. We can add some kind of contact me list. And down here we have even more photos, or follow us on Instagram, and then people can have a look at these photos. Now, I personally am not on Instagram, but of course we can add photos here anyway. And then, of course, we got the blog. So this is now news. And as you can see, we have articles right there. So when we click on this article, it will actually bring us, in this case right now, to one.com. But we're going to add content here very soon. And then down here, we got business news. And as you can see, this one right now is not fixed. So we need to do something about this right here. And then we can click on shop. And now this is basically the shop that we have right now. Of course, we didn't add any products yet. And down here, you can see the payment options, the terms and conditions, and so on and so on. So we need to fix a couple of things here, but we'll do that quite soon. And then, of course, we got the contact page right there. And I think this one already looks quite good. Now, when you click on the logo right here will bring you automatically to your homepage, and I will show you how to do that in a second. But for now, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other in the next one.